everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a bit of a vlog of homey things that I've been doing this week. I went to Ikea, I did a little Ikea and Flying Tiger haul, I cleaned up my laundry room, talked about plants. I did a lot of little things in this vlog that I thought I would piece together for you guys. Anyway, with that being said, let's jump back to yesterday where I shared a bit of an Ikea haul. Hello from my office. Please excuse the mess. I'm currently undergoing a few bigger projects in here, but I'm in here because I want to show you guys a mini Ikea haul. I went to Ikea yesterday with my nan and I picked up a few things mainly for Ikea hacks. I'll show you them anyway, but before I show you guys what I actually got, here are a few clips from yesterday. Come on now. Hello, Nan. Hi guys, I'm in Ikea. I thought I would start a weekly vlog. So we're in Ikea today. I'm here with my nan and I'm gonna pick up a few things for some videos. I'll keep you updated as the day goes on, but I'm having a great time. It's really empty right now, so it's very nice in here. I love this room most of all. It's so cozy looking. Nan getting in my shots again. What's in the basket? Do you want to do a haul?
In the basket.
Oh, you got a succulent.
I bought a succulent, which I can't kill.
Unlike all my cactus plants. This is my least favourite Ikea product I've ever seen. Looks like a snotty tissue. Look what Nan's getting. 2 plants. Worse than me. Also, my trolley is very full. And now back to the present day. I guess I should show you guys what's on the pile. Excuse me. So we got some bits up here, some bits down here, and some more bits in this bag. This is not Ikea. I think that goes without saying. Let me move this out of the way. So let's start with this pile. I picked up one of their Lazy Susans. These are, I think, like £8, and I thought it would make a really interesting piece for a project of some sort. We got some bath mats, some of their new rugs. These are only like £3, they're a bargain. Boxes for storage in my office. Oh, ooh, these are also for projects. This is actually for my kitchen, a measuring jug, but I'm sure it's going to get used for some kind of DIY at some point. I really liked these terracotta pots. They were only £1.50 and I just thought they had a really interesting shape to them. So I don't know if I'm going to leave them plain or if I'm going to do something with them, but I got 2 of those. And then in here, I picked up some pink tinted glasses for 75p each. I got a set of 6. I have the clear ones in my kitchen, but I think I'm missing a few because they always break. So I thought I'd get some of the pink ones and then I can put them on my shelf when it finally goes up. Move this. Ikea do these reusable shopping bags in a pack of 2. I have tons of shopping bags, so these are not actually for shopping, but I'm gonna make something with those. We got another lampshade. This basket was from the office section. I think it was about £8. I thought it was quite nice. And I picked up another rug. This I thought had a really interesting print on it. And I picked up more of the placemats. I used a ton of these for a headboard in my DIY rental hack video, so now I'm out. So I picked up a few more. Got one of these as well. I thought that could be fun to DIY something with. I did pick up this. This is a £10 file storage cabinet. I've put it together really badly, so don't look too close. But this is what it looks like. Oh, where did this come from? Oh dear, okay, I'm gonna have to finish putting that together tonight. But I thought I could definitely DIY this, so I ended up getting 2 of these because they were so inexpensive. And they're quite small, but I thought they'd be the perfect size for a little hack. Now I'm on the floor, surrounded by mess. Let's just dig into this bag, shall we? Oh. Okay, these I bought for me. I got 2 of these cushion covers, but they're really long. I'm gonna put them on my bed. I thought they were really nice. I like the pink color, and they're velvet, so they just looked so nice in the store. I got a lamp, which comes with a base. We will figure that out at some point. Go over there. And last but not least, a doormat. I used my last Ikea doormat for a DIY project and ended up putting it somewhere else, so now I finally have one for my breakfast nook. Actually, while I'm here, I did get a few more things. I went to Flying Tiger and I picked up some things that might be a bit more exciting, so I guess I'll show you those really quickly. I didn't have a bag big enough, so I had to buy one, but I bought a few things. First of all, these little canisters were only £2 each. They're just really, really pretty colours with a wooden top. These dishcloths were £3, so I couldn't not get those. What else is in here? Oh, I see things in paper. Oh no! Right, well I need to dispose of this. That's sad. Well, this was on sale and I only picked it up for the print anyway, but I'm a bit sad about the broken frame because I could have used that for a DIY project. But I did pick up this frame. I think it was £2. I'll sort that out a little bit later. I hope none of the other ones are broken. Okay, thank goodness. So I got a couple of the floating frames in different sizes because I really like the look of this with the clear background. So I'm gonna put these possibly on a gallery wall. We will see. These day of the week notepads were only £1. One of these is my nan's, so I have to go and give that to her. But I thought those were a bargain. And then these, I got 3 ceramic items, and this one, can you see that? No? All right, lads. All right, Hetty. Okay, let me put it down here. So this is just a pink bowl with an eye print design on it. I thought it was really nice. I need something in my office to put thumbtacks and pins and things in, so I've got this one. And then this. Do I need another vase? Absolutely not. But this is absolutely perfect. The color scheme, the texture, oh, the detail, I love it. This is my perfect vase, so I couldn't leave it behind. And I also got a matching bowl. I thought maybe this one I could plant some succulents in, but we will see. Did I need those? No, but it's a birthday present to myself, so. Before I leave my office, you might be wondering what this is behind here. I've got a mantelpiece going on. I'm hoping to try and do something with this space. This I picked up a year ago for £15 at a charity shop, and it's just a bit too big for this corner, but we'll see if I can do anything about it. I also have this massive copper mirror that has been sat at my nan's house now for about 3 or 4 years. So I decided to do her a favour and finally take it away. So I'm going to try and combine those 2 things into a project for this room that I'll show you guys very, very soon. Let's start this off easy in the kitchen. I've made a list in my trusty notebook. Let's start in the laundry. Yikes. gonna give the cupboards a quick once over. Huh. Oh, empty. Oh, I really want Angel Delight. So the breakfast nook is all done, and so is the laundry area. I moved a lot of my bigger plants out of the direct sunlight because they're getting a bit burnt in this window, so we've got them here. But lots of them have new leaves, like this one, this ficus, this guy, my fiddle leaf fig. My Calathea has 3 and then a whole new plant just popping up in the middle here. And this one. So as you guys have just seen, I tidied up my whole breakfast nook area, and I did a bit of the kitchen, but it got really dark, so I didn't end up getting any good footage in there. But I did have a lot of fun with a toothbrush on the cabinets, getting all the dust out of the paneling, so that was fun. I also watered all of my plants, and actually the other day I brought all of my plants down into the kitchen and I did a little mini plant tour on Instagram. I'm gonna try and remember, fingers crossed, to put it in a little highlight on my Instagram page so that you guys can watch it if you haven't seen it. It's every single one of my plants. I am no plant expert, but at the moment most of them seem to be growing new leaves and blooming and thriving, minus a couple of small casualties. Also, the plant food I feed my plants, hold on, is this. I just picked this stuff up at the local garden centre. It's by Westland. I've never used any other plant food, but it works really well for my plants. As you can see with all the new leaves. Oh, there's another one. Look at that. Anyway, I did mention this in the Instagram story, but it was right at the very end, so I think a lot of people might have missed it. And I mainly use this one, the houseplant feed, and if I have any left over, I give it to my cactuses. I do use this, but less frequently because I'm a bit lazy, I'm not gonna lie. Sorry, cactus friends. So that's what's going on with my plants at the moment. Anyway, that is everything for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I like doing the occasional vlog. I really enjoy making them. I really enjoy watching other people's vlogs, and I just think it breaks it up a little bit. But also I do have a lot of home renovation stuff and DIYs coming out very soon. A few of the weeks in the following month, I think we'll have 2 videos coming out in a week, so I'm gonna get busy making those. But for the time being, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.